Welcome, it's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
When a child says they would only like good living conditions, the heart is getting countries. The new season of the program, Our New Home, has started. In the first episode, after a break of several weeks, we learned the moving history of Mr. Darius. In Our New Home, Katarzyna Dabor learned the story of Mr. Darius, who is a single father. His wife left the family in 2015. "I don't know why mother left us," said Fabian, 11. He confessed that his mother also had 2 sons from another relationship, and the boys today live in an orphanage. Darius could not go to work because he had no one to look after 3 children. Soon his mother moved into them. They slowly got to their feet because the man could work. However, in 2016, his mother died. The hardships of this family did not end there. Darius had to fight for children in court. "Their mother," she said, "has somewhere. I found them in court," recalls the hero of Pulset program. The kids stayed in the family home, which is in a deplorable condition. It's hard to say that the place where they prepare meals is the kitchen. There is no bathroom in the house, only bare walls. Everyone is taking a bath in a bowl. Dabor asked Darius what they were living on. He admitted that they get money for life from the alimony fund, 500 plus in family allowance. The decision to renovate the house was obvious. The Dabor team faced a challenge because they had to reestablish the entire sewage system, add insulation to the building, electrical installation, and all interior furnishings. It's easy to be a hero for a moment, but being a hero every day of your life is just art, writes production on Facebook profile. In the video, you can see what Darius's house and his children looked like before renovation. After renovation, the family hut was unrecognizable. After all, they can live in normal conditions. The kids have a place to study, not to mention that they will not wash in the bowl anymore, and in a beautiful bathroom. Katarzyna Dabor and her construction team will visit more families living in terrible conditions. In the first episode of the new series, he will meet with Mr. Darius, who is raising 3 children alone in the village of Bujali in the Lodz Voivodeship. The man barely makes ends meet, and their home is in a tragic condition. All 4 sleep in one room in the oven-heated kitchen. They don't have hot water, the building lacks a bathroom, and children do not have their own rooms. Will the Dabor team fulfill their dreams? The new episode of the program, Our New Home, September 4 at 8:05 in Polsat.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.